This time of flu season, it's important to take good care of our health. Make sure you eat a lot of vegetables like corn, pepino, cherry tomato for pasta tomorrow, string beans, eggplant, okra, agyo pechay, cabbage, radish. What's this? Potato, squash, okra, ginger, then this one, sayote. There are a lot. Okay, you know this one are rich in vitamins and minerals that help strengthen your immune system. Also, drink a lot of water, get enough rest, and try to avoid crowded places to reduce the risk of getting sick like me 2 weeks ago. Just a reminder. Ay, nakalimutan ng lemon.